Hi everyone, welcome to Lila's Creations. Today I'm going to make a copper wire wrap pendant. For this pendant, I chose a glass cabochon. You can see here, and these are some 18 gauge copper wires. One is shorter than the others, and a 16 gauge wire for the base. Hammer the design to form it, and it gives a smooth and plain surface. I'm going to make a little texture here, so I tap it with the back side of my hammer. Now I'm going to wrap these three 18 gauge wires with 26 gauge wire. At first, wrap the one wire 3 to 4 times and then add the second wire, the same size second wire, and then wrap both wire 2 times. After that, add the third wire and wrap the second wire and the third wire both 2 times. This wire is shorter than these first 2 wires. And then wrap the first and second wire again 2 times. And wrap the first wire 2 times, only the first wire 2 times. Here it is, and this will be going on. Again wrap the first and second wire 2 times, then second and third wire 2 times, and then again only the first wire 2 times. In this way you have to wrap the whole design. My design is ready, and now I have to curve it from the middle. I am going to set my cabochon here in this position. Now I am going to make this pendant base in this way. Wrap the one end 4 times and then the both ends 4 times, and then shift the wire. Then I wrap the second end 4 times and the both wire 4 times, and then the first wire 4 times and the both wire 4 times. My pendant base is almost ready. Now I have to wrap this wire tightly in the both sides. Now the base is ready. I am going to put my cabochon here, and this will be the design. I have to stuck it in this position. In this situation, you have to grab the cabochon tightly, otherwise it will fall out. So grab it tightly and then wrap the wires very carefully. Now I am wrapping the base wire and the upper weight wires very firmly here. Now I am going to make a spiral design here with two wires, with these two wires, and make sure that these both wire works together as a single wire. And then separately make loops in the edge, and you can choose any design here as you wish to do. Now it's done, and now I have to wrap these two wires, and I am wrapping the wires separately. I wrap this base wire with the first wire, and after that I make a design here. Make the wrapping tight and firm. It is very necessary for wire wrapping. Here also I am making a loop with the third wire, the shorter wire, and now I make a design here with the second wire, with the middle wire in the back. Here is my pendant. Oh, I almost forgot about this third wire, the shorter wire here also. I am just making a loop here, and that's it. Do you like the design? At the end, I am going to add this drop shape crystal. It is up to you. You can add this or not. It's your choice. But I think this space looks empty, so I am adding this. In India, the people always like some latkans or danglers or something like that. So as I am an Indian, so I like this type of latkan or dangler. Now it's completed, and that's all for today. If you like my designs, my work, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon Have a nice day. Stay with me. Stay creative and happy always. Tata.